Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Study Studio. So today we are going to discuss two letter words with short O vowel sound, blending letter sounds. So today we are going to learn two letter sound words with the short O sound. Let's blend the sound together. Ox, 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 ox. On, 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 off, 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 or, or, ox, ox, on, on, off, off, or, or. So let's read it once again. Ox, ox, on, off, or. So you did it amazing. So keep practicing these blending sounds every day to become a super reader. So see you next time. Bye bye.